the political arena in Maharashtra, which is continuing to heat up as the row over the collapse of the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj statue continues to escalate. Shiv Sena UBT leader Sanjay Raut has reacted to Prime Minister Narendra Modi's apology over the collapse of the Shivaji statue and has called it a mere political apology. He stated that apologizing will not compensate for the insult to Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. The Shiv Sena UBT leader has further stated that if the Prime Minister sincerely apologizes, then he should have apologized to the nation 5 years ago when 40 Indian soldiers were killed in Pulwama. Sanjay Raut has also stated that the Prime Minister's apology over the incident is not a genuine one. Let's in fact listen in to what he said.
जिस प्रकार से प्रार्थना करता है उसे भक्ति भाव से आशीर्वाद लेकर के मैंने राष्ट्र सेवा की एक नई यात्रा का आरंभ किया था। पिछले दिनों सिंधुदुर्ग में जो हुआ, मेरे लिए, मेरे सभी साथियों के लिए छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज ये सिर्फ नाम नहीं है। हमारे लिए छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज ये सिर्फ राजा महाराजा राजपुरुष मात्र नहीं है। हमारे लिए छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज आराध्य देव है। और मैं आज सर झुका करके मेरे आराध्य देव छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज की उनके चरणों में मस्तक रख के माफी मांगता हूं। हमारे संस्कार अलग है। हम वो लोग नहीं हैं जो आए दिन भारत मां के महान सपूत इसी धरती के लाल वीर सावरकर को अनाप शनाप गालियां देते रहते हैं, अपमानित करते रहते हैं, देशभक्तों की भावनाओं को कुचलते हैं। उसके बावजूद भी वीर सावरकर को गालियां देने के बावजूद भी माफी मांगने को जो तैयार नहीं है, अदालतों में जाकर के लड़ाई लड़ने को तैयार है, इतने बड़े महान सपूत का अपमान करके जिनको पश्चाताप नहीं होता है, महाराष्ट्र की जनता उनके संस्कार को अब जान ले। और ये हमारे संस्कार है कि इस धरती पर आते ही आज मैंने पहला काम मेरे आराध्य देव छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज में उनके चरणों में सर झुका करके क्षमा मांगने का कर रहा हूं।
राजनैतिक माफी है, ये राजनैतिक माफी है, पॉलिटिकल मूवमेंट उनकी मुंह है। माफी मांगो छूट जाइए, माफी मांगो छूट जाइए, यही है ना उनका। माफी मांगने से छत्रपति जी का जो अपमान हुआ है उनकी भरपाई नहीं होगी, कभी नहीं होगी। अगर सच्चे मन से अगर मुख्यमंत्री प्रधानमंत्री माफी मांगते तो 5-10 साल पहले जो पुलवामा में हमारा जवान 40 जवानों की हत्या हुई और देश में सन्नाटा हुआ, देश दुखी हो गया, उस वक्त देश से माफी मांगनी चाहिए। एक साथ 40 जवान मारे गए आपकी नाकामी की वजह से। जिस तरह से जम्मू कश्मीर में आज भी हत्याएं चल रही है और हमारे कश्मीरी पंडितों को अब तक घर वापसी का आपका वायदा पूरा नहीं हो गया, उसके लिए भी माफी मांगो। आपने इतने बार झूठ बोला है देश के सामने आपको दर दिन माफी मांगनी पड़ेगी।
All right, viewers, there of course we've heard the war of words that continues to intensify. My colleague Prathamesh with us on the broadcast to share more details. Prathamesh, the Congress and the Shiv Sena UBT have lost no time to train guns at the centre, to train guns at the Bharatiya Janata Party, in particular over the collapse of the statue of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj in Sindhudurg on the 26th of August. They've of course demanded the resignation of the Chief Minister and the Deputy Chief Minister, and following the Prime Minister's apology, Shiv Sena UBT leader Sanjay Raut has now stated that Maharashtra will not forgive anyone.
Yesterday we have seen the way Prime Minister Narendra Modi has given apologies to the people of Palghar as well as the people of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. He has said that I apologize whatever has been happened in the Sindhudurg. After that, the apologies he took place over there. Then after that, the war is been begun of the words. War is been begun between Shiv Sena UBT and as well as the BJP as well. If we see Sanjay Raut has slammed the way yesterday Prime Minister Narendra Modi has apologized to the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. The statue has been collapsed. He has directly said that where was the Prime Minister Narendra Modi? Did he apologize when the Pulwama attack was happened? Now also in Jammu and Kashmir attacks has been happened, but why Prime Minister not saying on this? So on this very incident, Sanjay Raut is taking more the stance, and he is asking that why Prime Minister Narendra Modi is not apologizing on the way the big incident happened in Pulwama as well as in the JNK. So in this all this incident now, the war has been begun as well as from the opposition as well. It has been saying that we need the resignations of CM as well as both the deputy CM as well, because this is a really big thing. As it has been as in Maharashtra, if we see the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj is considered a big face of over here, and their statue has been collapsed just between the 8 months. So after this, now investigation is also going on, but the opposition is really is asking for the direct resignation of CM as well as the deputy CM over here.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.